lift options to choose from: a bunk style for traditional hull boats with a removable rear plank for direct drive boats, and we also have a bunkless type for pontoons, and it also holds traditional hull boats. Begin by lowering the lift using the electronic switch. Be sure to remove boat canopy, wake tower, and nav lights. Slowly drive your boat onto the lift as far as needed or until the keel of your boat motor contacts the stop plate of the lift. Raise your boat using the remote or the switch located on the outside of the lift. Make sure your boat is centered on the lift. Lower your boat using the switch on the outside of the lift just enough until you can comfortably step into your boat. Carefully step into your boat and lower it the rest of the way using the remote. You will know the lift is low enough when you feel your boat begin to float. Start your engine and slowly back away from the lift. If the lift is not working, please make sure the lift is plugged into the outlet. If the lift is plugged in, also check the GFI switch on the outlet.